Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to remove the airbag on this Mercedes. Here we have a W204 chassis. This is a C-Class, and the procedure to remove the airbag is very simple, but you do have to be extremely careful because the airbags can deploy while they're getting removed, and that can be very dangerous and cause serious injuries. So the first thing that you'll do is you will need to disconnect the battery. But before you do that, make sure that you have access to these two holes on the back here. You have a hole on this side and a hole on this side. Now if you have a newer Mercedes, you're not going to have holes over here on the back, and you will not need a Torx socket. On the newer Mercedes, you will not have holes. You'll have small indents, and you actually puncture those indents there, and you put the screwdriver in on one side and then also on the other side, and that releases. But on this model you have Torx bolt over here on the back, and those are T25. So what you do is you'll make sure you have access to this hole here and to this other hole over here. So us Torx like this will be very helpful. So you would come here, once you do disconnect the battery, you come here on the back and you'll loosen up this bolt here. Now this bolt does not need to come out, and it does not come out. So once it's just loose, it'll be loose, but it'll stay in there. And once both of them are loose, very carefully you're gonna grab the airbag and pull it back. Seems like this one is still secure. Okay, so you're gonna grab the airbag and pull it back carefully. Now keep a distance from the airbag just in case it does deploy while you're removing it, so it doesn't injure you. Now we'll move this up, and then here we have two connectors. You can see this brown one and the yellow one for the airbag. This is for the steering wheel controls. To remove those, we have already removed. You have two clips, one there, one there. You press this little clips, and then you pull the connector away. You do the same thing for this, and then you carefully take the airbag and place it in a safe space, and that's it. And to reinstall the airbag, you would come and do it in reverse order and secure it with two bolts. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.